You searched how to buy shares of Moog Inc., and this short guide will walk you through the practical steps. Moog Inc. makes precision motion control systems for aerospace and defense. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker MOG-B, and this is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify the account with an identity document and add funds before placing any orders. Use the platform search box and type the ticker MOG-B to find the correct listing. Select the result that shows Moog Inc. on NASDAQ to open the asset page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart with recent trading. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker MOG-B to confirm you have the right stock. To invest, click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, and set any order options, then review the details before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once the order fills, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For more information and the example link, check the description below.